These are the original taillight housings off of Project 66R. And they're actually better than what I thought they were, because I've had them down in the basement for a long time. And very, very smooth all the way down. I got pitting right there. That's where they always pit. And I got pitting right there. But overall, it's way better than I expected. These are way better than on one bid, which is right there. And what I'm doing now, this one here, no, it's this one here. I'm sorry, I had the wrong one. This is the left one, and it's cracked right there. And I know they can probably fix that, but I got this one a long time ago off of eBay. And it's also in very good condition. It's got a little bit of pitting at the top, but the sides are really good. And it's solid, it's not dinged up. Now this is the right side here, and this one's okay. It's got just a little bit more pitting than the other one. Not bad though. I mean, I'd love to have these on one bid. Perfect driver. But they're going to go back on Project 66R after I get them re-chromed. So this is the plan. I'm going to take them up to a car show swap meet. And the guys, the chrome people, are going to be there. And I'm going to get an in-person estimate instead of sending photos. So I'm going to take these apart and clean them up a little bit. And I got them all cleaned up. I tried to get all the glue off that held the lenses in place, all the crud, washed them up. So they should be ready to roll tomorrow.